Welcome back everyone to the Lakeland and Black Valley Railroad. And in this video we're actually witnessing a train drop off empty grain hoppers for the siding right here. For this local farm, for the grain silos. The farm season is right around the corner, and we're expecting a lot of boxcar and hopper car traffic. I think that the lead engine is 5798, but anyways. They're doing a lot of shunting. And then after they're done with this area, they're going to reconnect to the coal hoppers, back up a little ways, and let the light engine power down there take them to central yard, and then they'll be distributed on local freight led by the Alco. And if you haven't seen the last episode, we acquired a new SD40-2 X Conrail 4097. I believe that's why it was numbered. But anyways, it is our newest addition to our railroad. So we're hoping that she stays with us for a super long time. We got some empty coal hoppers at the rear of our train. Alright. Okay, so they're going to reverse the entire train backwards. The Dash 9s and the SD60s are actually sitting in the interchange point at Blue Cliff, just sitting there, having a little bit of a break. So GP9s, two GP9s are on this train, hauling freight. Alright. In the meantime, we're going to park these two GP9s over with these kind of hopper cars that are going to be stored. We're actually going to shunt them back a little more. Right there should be good. Alright, now I gotta walk down to inform the crew. One moment. Alright, informed the crew. $40.97, please back up. You are about 25 cars to a stop. Ten cars. Five cars. Two cars. Slow down. Alright. 3, 2, 1. That will do. Alright, 40.97. Please take a head to Central Yard. And there it goes, off the Central Yard. Now back to over here, where these two GP9s are. We're always going to be having motive power stay here, and it's always going to be a GP9, but the power may alternate from different days. Like today, it's Lakeland and Black Valley 5724 and Lakeland and Black Valley 947. These both could be gone and replaced with a different GP9, or one of them could be gone and the other one's staying here. So, excuse me. So, it's really going to alternate a lot of the time. But, yeah. So, all these, grain hoppers are coming in empty and going to be shipped out loaded, similar to the coal hoppers and with the box cars too. They're going to have like cold meats, eggs, bacon, ground beef, anything like that. Alright, let me... Where's the handbrake on this? Locomotive again. Alright, there's no air brake or handbrake. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to set it so that way the air, if this ever gets disconnected, it automatically puts the entire train into emergency. Alright, turn the handbrakes on these cars. Alright guys, hope you enjoy the video and I'll see you all in the next one. Have a good night.